Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior with a black wood trim. Sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, a 10.25-inch media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 15,638 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.